Alright guys, we're going to take the G29 SF out to 200 yards. 10 millimeter is supposed to be a real flat shooting round. Let's see what happens.
There you go.
There you go.
Just hitting a little low.
Can't see anything.
I can't see what's
left.
happening. Oh, you're just right of it, I
Right
think.
of it.
Just left.
Well,
That's about what I expect from 200 yards, but at least I hit it once.
I've got the CZ75 P07 Duty.
Duty. You said duty.
Duty.
Do your duty.
do it, son.
200 yard, 9 millimeter. That was high. There you go.
Hey,
Yeah.
good shot.
Just above it. That was low. You're on line, just low. Little low. Still low. Little low still. That was high. You're on line though.
Yeah.
Kimber Super Carry Pro, 200 yards. Shooting reloads again. Front sight really covers that target. Where's that hitting?
Left. Oh! Ah, ooh, you just missed it. Left. Left. He's hitting 45, it's good. Just left.
Oh man.
About a foot.
They're all going left.
Right. Hey! Good shot. Hey!
That kind of takes forever to get there,
I know.
doesn't it?
Takes forever than the sound. Yeah, it's tearing up.
What did I tell you about
Very good.
1911s?
Amateurs are like professionals for over 100 years, right?
Super Carry Pro, baby.
Hey, it's made amateurs look like professionals for how many years? There we go. Rock and roll. Oh, just high.
High?
There you go.
There you go.
He's on. He's on it.
That's bad.
It's hard to see.
I wouldn't want to get hit by one though.
Nice.
Yep, 6 hour 19.
Ooh, just left.
Right. Oh,
There you go.
Get on.
That was way left.
That was well.
That was also left, way left. That was just high. There you go.
Hey, that's good.
That's a great feeling, isn't
That's
it?
a good shooting gun.
All right, I'll hit the 10 millimeter one more time. Oh, 10.
All right, Gary.
Where did it go?
I didn't see that one. That was left.
About a foot left.
Low.
Low.
Just underneath it. There you go.
Good shot. High.
There you go. He's found his groove.
Two of them. Two of them. Good shooting.
Get flat.
Missed range.
I haven't shot a 10 millimeter probably about 12 years, so see how this does.
High about 2 feet left.
Wow.
Just low right. Ooh, nice.
What's that stuff coming down?
It's snowing. It's raining. Low. Low. Nice. 2 out of 6.
Woo! I love this round and I love this pistol.
Good shoot.
Thank you, Gary, for letting me shoot it. Okay, Browning high power. I'm going 9 millimeter, a whole millimeter less, and we'll see how it does.
Choke.
Well, I don't even know where to aim this thing. Anybody know where that went?
I left.
I left. Low. Nice.
All right, I'm done. Don't work for me.
Done?
Ruger 1022 Takedown. This is a Team USA shooting edition by Taylor Distributors. Got the BX25 shooting Federal, I think it's 40 grain auto match. And the scope is a Tasco RF3. It's a 7x20. It's a rimfire scope. So let's see how she does. I had it dialed in a shorter distance. I don't know if it's going to work for this. I don't even know where it's hitting.
3 foot low. Straight down the center, 3 foot low. Yeah.
Okay, well hold on. Let me bring this up then.
There
There
you go.
he is.
Still a little low. Should do it now.
What power are you shooting that on, Ed?
I've got it all the way up on 7.
Okay. Well, you was hitting it pretty good there.
I was aiming near the top of the target, so I bet you still probably shooting a little low. There we go.
Just a little right.
Arm's getting tired.
Yeah. Than the others.
Ooh,
What kind of ammo is that? I don't know.
it's Federal Auto Match.
Some of them sound like they got a little more bump to them.
Yeah. You can hear it.
Yeah, not bad.
A little more crack.
That was wild, Ed.
Yeah, I should have used the mini mags.